Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
Hey, hey, my little cubbies, how's it going? Oh my god, my face is not on, and I look horrible. Give me 2 seconds, I gotta transform into a beauty. Ah, that's so much better. Alright, transformation done. Isn't it so good? Oh wait, you probably want to know how I got here, right? Look at this. First off, yes, I have red hair now. I decided to do a little bit of a dye project and have fun with it, so I really hope you little cubbies like it. Plus, you probably want to know why I look like this and how I got here. Well, first off, I'm going to a concert tonight. Gotta look party rock, woohoo! This is what I call my rock star look for the night. And I can show you how I got all this fun little crazy curlness that's going on over here, and the pretty makeup I have on if you want to follow me. Alright, my little cubbies, so this hair is a mess, and in order to get it to look great for tonight for my Rockstar Beauty look, we've got to do something with it. Granted, my hair is naturally curly and can look really pretty whenever I want it to. Right now, we're going to actually give it some real big, pretty curls. So the first thing I'm going to start with is a Fructis Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment. It's going to help keep the frizz down, and then it's going to help keep my hair nice and shiny and pretty and healthy throughout this whole process. I put just a glob on my hand, rub it together, and then put it throughout all of my hair. I also sometimes have to get a little more just to finish it up because sometimes the tips don't get everything they need. Alright, next we're going to use a nice Fructis Style XXL Volume Thickening Mousse. That way I can get those nice thick curls, and it'll just help to give those curls a little more shape than they already have. I like to put a nice big glob in there. It is nice and sticky, so it definitely is a lot of fun to play with. And then I just massage this through my hair as well. With most mousses, you're supposed to scrunch. I don't really scrunch right now just because I'm gonna curl it up with some curlers. I did have to get some more too. And it looks like whipped cream, but I can't eat it, so I'm just gonna put some more in my hair. Now, put in a couple of sections so that way we can do it in different sections and not have to like get tangled hair everywhere. I usually do about 3 sections just because it's easier for me. I have a lot of thick hair, so the best thing to do is just put in 3 different sections and then work my way around that way. I kind of look like a silly Oompa Loompa. As I put each one of these rollers in, you have 2 parts to it. You have the part that actually stays in your hair and rolls all the way up. It has these little bumps so you can stick it in there, and then it has a nice little clip to go over the top, so that way it keeps it in place. I got mine from, I want to say Dollar Tree to be honest, just because I'm cheap and I like it. So I did have to use bobby pins to help me out a little bit, and I always brushed my hair as I did it. I brushed each strand and then rolled it all the way up, and then I helped and voila! Here it is, the beautiful tied up hair. In order to keep it in place, I'm going to use a nice little bandana and it'll look even better. It kind of looks like I'm from like the 60s and I'm doing some kind of crazy hairstyle, and for some reason it involves keeping these little random black things throughout your hair. I tie a little bandana, 1 to keep it out of my face so I can do my makeup, and 2 just because it adds a little bit of cute flair while I'm doing it. It was kind of difficult to get the strings to stay. Alright, next up, my little cubbies, we're going to do my makeup because my face is way too plain to go to this party tonight. So first, I'm going to use my Almay Smart Shade Primer that you might have seen me use in my makeup video before. I put it all the way throughout and just give it so that it helps cover up those red spots as well as give me a nice base for my foundation. It does still smell like, well, poop. After I put all that on, I'm going to do foundation now. And I'm going to use the Almay 4-in-1 Clear Complexion Foundation. It really helps so I don't get too many pimples whenever I'm washing it off and everything. And it just helps to keep my face pretty and clean. Alright, next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use the number 7 eyebrow kit that I used whenever I did my other makeup. I always take the darkest color just because my eyebrows are so dark. And I outline the pretty little arches that I already have. I don't usually need to, but sometimes I will brush them a little more into place with my eyebrow brush. It looks like a mascara brush. Then we're going to move on to contour, and I'm using the Wet n Wild contour palette that I always love to use, the Dulce de Leche 749A, because I'm pale and it looks really good. So I'm going to outline my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead, and a little bit on my chin as well. And this will just help me kind of look like I have beautiful shadows on my face. We also got to remember to highlight after we're all done with that. Next, we're going to give a little bit of a blush with the illuminator that I have as well. Don't mind the talking randomly throughout the video. My sister walked into the room. Alright, next I'm going to use a Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. As you can tell, I really like Wet n Wild brand. It's cheap, and sometimes it just has really good stuff that I really like. So I'm going to put that all over my eyes to get a base ready, and then I'm going to use this cool LA Colors Eye Struck Smoky. I really want to get a nice, pretty dark look going on. So I'm going to use this black color in order to lay down a nice, pretty base. Kind of looks like I got punched in the eye whenever I do one eye. Then once I'm all done, I'm going to use a nice little red, dark red color in order to outline the top, just to give it a little bit of a spark. And then when I'm all done, I'm going to add a little more black blended with the white just to give it a lighter black, almost kind of charcoaly, just to give it a little more of a highlight. And it really makes my eyes pop. And then finally I'm going to put some white on the top just to highlight both my brows and my eyes, just so that my eyes stand out. Gotta look good for my Rockstar party. Next I'm going to apply some fake lashes that I found. They're really cute, they look really bold, and I thought they'd look really good. I use a Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. It has aloe in it, which is really nice, and it really is easy to peel them off later whenever I need to get them off. But they really help make my eyes look bold whenever I add on some fakes. One down, another one to go. So pretty. I look like I could just blow you away with my lashes. Next I'm going to use my CoverGirl concealer. It is Fair Claire. And I'm just going to apply that so that I can highlight my eyes and just brighten up my face a little bit. It also kind of helps get rid of anything that might have been left behind. Last, I'm going to use a Total Temptation for my mascara today. And this will just help finish up my eye look, so that way my eyes are nice and bold for you. And then I'm going to use a little bit of eyeliner, e.l.f. brand, just to give the corner of my eye a little bit of a point, just so that mascara doesn't go totally wasted. You always gotta have that beautiful cat eye. Aren't I gorgeous? Alright, then to set everything in place, I'm going to use a nice setting spray by Hard Candy. It's really good. It's called Matte, so that way it stays nice and pretty. And of course, last but not least, I need something for my lips, right? So we're going to do a nice NYX dark red liquid lipstick. And we're just going to apply that everywhere and try and make it as even as possible. And whenever it dries, it turns into a nice pretty matte color. Definitely makes my red hair pop along with it and gives a nice beautiful rock look to the rest. Alright, now that we're all done with makeup, we gotta do my hair. So first we're going to take off the bandana, and as I started to take out the curls, I realized they weren't as curly as I wanted, and I didn't let it dry a little more, so I added a little more mousse, a little more water. Had to re-put it back up for like a couple of minutes, just to get that perfect curl the way that I wanted, nice and fluffy, and just to make my hair bounce a little more. And voila! Beautiful fluffy hair, beautiful curls, nice and volumized, and I am ready to go to rock out at a concert. Woohoo! Party! Alright, well now that this is all done and you saw how I did it, how about I show you what I'm wearing tonight too, just to finish off the look. Wanna come along? Shut up, I look good. So today I'm wearing a really cute top that has arrows in the shape of a heart. It's a nice pretty light gray. I got it for $5 at Walmart. And then I'm also wearing some really cute black jeans that I got at Old Navy for about $20. They're really comfy, they're really cute. I like to fold up the ends. They're skinny jeans and they fit me really well. I also added on a really cute vest that I got from Rue 21 that just kind of accentuates the rest of the whole party rock look, as well as making me look a little classy on the side too. And then to top it all off, I have some really cute jewelry that is gold and has feathers on it. I have both a beautiful chain necklace with a dream catcher and feathers hanging off the bottom, as well as feathers in my ears with just a golden bulb as well. And to finish off all of that as well, I have some really cute boots. And I got from Kmart for about $18 on sale whenever Kmart was going out of business. They're really cute, they're gray, and I think they just add on to the rest of the punk rocker look. It's all a little dark, but I think my hair really lightens up the rest of it. Alright, my little cubbies, so that's my whole look for tonight. I'm gonna go have a little bit of fun, gonna dance to some music and party. What? It's gonna be a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, I usually just do makeup for me, but I really don't mind doing it once in a while to let you guys know what I was trying to do with myself today. But hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, my little cubbies, and I will have some other things coming out soon. We're gonna play some more games. I also have a blog I just started, and I'd really like you guys to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description down below. I think you guys will really like it. It pretty much links back to this, but it also has a couple other things that are stuff that I'm working on for myself. I'm still working on those projects I said. I said they probably won't be out until this month, maybe February. Probably not till February at this point. But I do have a couple of things that I really hope that you guys like. I hope that you guys enjoy and come to watch. And, you know, my little cubbies, until next time.